extremely good memory. I have had multiple students of mine who have learning differences, just like are able to the piece without even looking at the music the second time they play it or something like that. And it's crazy.
I have a student, and he told me during class one day, because he has an extremely good memory, he told me that he was struggling at school because he was like, oh man, like I'm really struggling with my spelling test. I don't remember how to spell these words. I don't remember my times tables. Like he's like, my memory is just not good when it comes to my academics sometimes. But he's like, I don't know why, but when it comes to piano, it's good. And he's like, I just remember it and I don't know why. And it was interesting. So you're talking about it, and I always tell him like piano is like your superpower, because you have such a great memory of the music, and it engages your brain in a different way. And so I told him, I was like, maybe because you have such a good memory of music, when you're studying for your classes, incorporate music. So I told him to sing his spelling words, and he was